Hi folks, I would like to show you very short the Curatron 3D device, which is the device that we've been using in our clinical experiences with patients where we did all the live blood analysis, the checks, how before and after it works, and we've tested it long-term with some of the cancer patients, and it's a stunning device. Now there's two effects, as you know. One is recharging your healthy cells so that they take up more oxygen, detoxify better, take up more nutrients, and secondary, to kill cancer cells by overcharging them. And that only works if you have a very strong device. And that's why I don't believe that there is any value in those very low micro Tesla devices that charge you over time, but certainly not to the intensity that we need to have a therapeutic effect. Now, this is what this device will give you. If you turn it on, it's very simple. It's a switch here in the back. Then you choose the program that you would like to use, and you have all the different ones. And they show in the menu very clear which ones has which kind of frequency, and that really depends whether you're looking for bone density, for pain relief, for immune boosting. Like Dr. Rao said, all the different frequencies have different values and they're built into a program. Now as you have that, you press start and that's it. Now I feel here in my little magnet, even that far away from the mat, the vibration already. And as you go down to the mat, you can see it's actually vibrating very intense. I hope you can see that, but it's something that is quite heavy. A normal mat, one of those multi-level marketing objects, they will not have that power. This is 500 Gauss. And as you remember, when you have it right at the mat, it has the power that is indicated by the mat. As soon as you lift it up 1 inch, it's already just a quarter. If you lift it up another inch, it's already just an eighth and 16th. So it really goes down, and that means if you lay on that mat and you are that far apart, well then you still have here the full power and you can feel it. If you lay that on your tummy when you lay down, it actually vibrates still up here, which means you recharge the whole body at once. And there's two very powerful coils here that actually do that. Now this mat is used for therapeutic device in 28 minutes, whatever the program length is. Some of them are just 19 minutes. And you do the before and after test with patients. You realize that their blood has completely recharged and they're full on energized. And that is very powerful. So what I would do now is add something. And this is something you can do at any of those Curatron devices. You can see here in the back, there is an energy coil, and you can see the mat has only one plug. So the mat is only one intensity, but you can put on that high level power coil and you plug that in. And now, I hope I got it in. No, now. And you turn it back on. And now you can see that this device here, this mat, it's very heavy. It has a very strong loaded coil inside, is set up, and we go same. We just start any program, number 5. Wow, and now I feel already that magnet in my hand. It vibrates like crazy. You can see it's it's bending in all directions. So that's what you now have as a real intense device, which you can use on your pancreas, on your thyroid. And if you hold the mat, you can really feel, you can even hear it, the magnet. You can put that onto an inflamed tooth. You can just put that onto your side if you have an ear infection. You can put it on your head, in your face, on your nose, on your thyroid, everywhere you like, on your sacral area. And that's where you then have not only the recharge of that area, it's actually also, because it fires neurons quite intensely in that area, it destroys cancer cells. And that's what those low-level devices will never do. So this is a really, really powerful thing that you can do. And if you add both, you can recharge, or you just get the device with the coil. And that's something which I quite like, because I just use it wherever I need. And because when you have a program like this one goes now like doot, doot, doot. As soon as the switch is over to the next frequency, it goes do-do, 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 so you feel, and that's always about 3-minute intervals. So I keep it here for 3 minutes, then I move it here for 3 minutes, then I move it around, and then I box it, you know, from the side and then from the back, and I just move it around, and in the end, even if I do just 2 sessions through, I've recharged my body very, very intensely. So that's the Curatron 3D. I love that device because it's very light, it's very easy. You can take it with you wherever you go. If you just take those 2 pieces without the big mat, it's something that you can even travel with. And as you can see, the intensity is really, really powerful. Okay? Have fun with it.